Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact the customer service on Fresha. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Fresha application. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom side, as you can see, we have 5 tabs. We have the calendar, we have the sales, we have the plus button where you can go and add appointment, group appointment, block time, sale, or quick payment. We have the, of course, client list and, of course, your workspace. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the customer service on Fresha. So first of all, you need to go and click on the top right corner on your profile here. And here, as you can see, we have a lot of options. We have the profile, reviews, settings, workspace. We have the help and support, where we need to, of course, go and click on. Now, here, as you can see, what can we help you with? Tell us a little more about what you need. Then here we have top articles. And of course, if you can't find anything that you actually need to be resolved, so any problem, you can go and click on can't find what you're looking for. And there you can go and ask them about your specific problem. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.